Hello everyone, hope you all are fit and fine. So today we are going to make a very beautiful and healthy party snack. It can also be packed in kids' tiffin boxes, a healthy option for breakfast and an ultimate holiday favorites. So let's start. Firstly, I have taken nicely washed 2 small carrots and 2 small beetroots. I am going to scrape off the skin, chop them roughly and put these pieces into separate bowls. Now in the pressure cooker, I am going to add a little water. Don't add too much water, otherwise it may mix with your veggies while getting cooked. Place a steel plate like this. Place these veggies on it. Remember, do not add water into the vegetables and cook it on a medium flame for just 1 whistle. You can also use a steamer, but this takes less cooking time. Till the time our veggies are getting cooked, let's start making our all-time favorite coconut chutney. I am lightly roasting a small sized onion like this and roughly chopping a small bunch of fresh coriander with stalks. Now in a grinding jar, add half cup freshly shredded coconut, half cup chopped coriander, 5 to 6 black peppercorns, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 cloves of garlic and an inch of ginger, half lemon sized tamarind, roasted small onion, some salt, 2 green chilies, you can plus minus chilies as per your taste, and a teaspoon of sugar. Grind all these ingredients with as little water as possible. So this is our healthy and tasty coconut chutney ready. Keep it aside. Our carrots and beetroots have nicely boiled now. Just run them in a grinding jar without adding any water to form a puree. This is our beetroot puree and this is our carrot puree. Keep them aside. We are not going to use mayonnaise to prepare our spreads. Instead, we will make our own cream cheese. I have taken this block of paneer measuring 100 grams. Actually, I made a mistake by adding these big chunks of paneer into the grinding jar because I had a tough time grinding it. So please cut your paneer into fine pieces before adding to the jar. Add some salt and grind it fine. And this is our easy peasy cream cheese ready. Looks yummy. Now take your beetroot puree, add a tablespoon of cream cheese, pinch of black pepper and a pinch of salt and mix it well. You need not stick to exact 1 spoon of cream cheese. You can add more to adjust the color and consistency of your beetroot spread. You can as well use mayonnaise instead of cream cheese, but cream cheese is a healthier option. Similarly, just eyeball some cream cheese into carrot puree, add some salt, black pepper, mix well, and there you go, your carrot spread is also ready. So these are all our spreads, beetroot and carrot spread and coconut green chutney. You can also store these spreads in the refrigerator for about a week long. So let's start making our ribbon sandwich now. Apply a nice layer of butter on a sliced bread. Spread the green coconut chutney. Make sure to apply butter on each side of the bread so that they'll not become soggy. Similarly, put the carrot spread. Again, a nicely buttered bread. And finally goes in our beetroot spread. And a final slice of bread. You can as well use a whole wheat bread. I have used white bread for a nice look and appearance. Let's cut the edges apart. Make sure you clean your knife after every cut so that the colored fillings does not smudge all over. You can make cuts of your own choice, either triangle or rectangle. Look how beautiful this ribbon sandwich looks. Let's also make a green chutney sandwich. Apply a nice layer of butter on a sliced bread. Then a layer of green coconut chutney. Cut into desired shapes of your choice and your green chutney sandwich is ready. And that's our ribbon sandwich. These sandwiches can also be nicely wrapped and stored in the refrigerator for about 4 to 5 days. So this is the plate of our colorful and healthy sandwiches. Trust me, they are super delicious. Munch on them with a hot cup of tea or coffee. So this was our today's simple recipe. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you for watching.